Hey, math enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fractions and decimals. Specifically, we'll be exploring the fascinating concept of multiplying with these numbers. Yes, you heard it right, multiplying. It's not a typo, but a clever play on words as we multiply fractions and decimals together. So grab your pens and notebooks, because we're about to unravel the secrets of multiplying in this whiteboard session. Let's start by reviewing the basics of multiplication. When we multiply whole numbers, it's straightforward. But what happens when we introduce fractions and decimals into the mix? Well, that's where things get interesting. Now, let's tackle multiplying fractions. Imagine you have two fractions, say 2/3 and 3/4. To multiply them, simply multiply the numerators together, 2, 3, and the denominators together, 3, 4. Your result becomes the new fraction. Voila! We've successfully multiplied fractions. Let's work through an example. We have February 5th, March 8th. Multiply the numerators, 2, 3, to get 6, and the denominators, 5, 8, to get 40. So, 2/5, 3/8 equals 6/40. But hold on, we're not done yet. It's always good practice to simplify our fractions. In our example, both 6 and 40 can be divided by 2, giving us 3/20 in its simplest form. Now, let's switch gears and look at multiplying decimals. If you have 0.60.4, multiply as if there were no decimals, giving you 24. However, we can't forget about the decimals. In this case, our answer is 0.24. Let's work through another example. Consider 1.52.4. Multiply as if there were no decimals, resulting in 36. Now, count the decimal places in both numbers, 2 in total. So, the final answer is 3.6. Before we wrap up, let's address some common pitfalls. One mistake to avoid is forgetting to simplify your fractions. Always reduce your fraction to its simplest form for a clearer and more concise answer. Additionally, when multiplying decimals, count the total decimal places in both numbers and apply them to your final result. Now, what about mixed numbers? If you encounter mixed numbers, convert them to improper fractions before multiplying. This ensures consistency in your calculations and simplifies the process. For example, 8½ equals 17/2, 6 5/4 equals 41/4, 6 3/2 equals 15/2. Math isn't just about numbers on a page, it's a powerful tool with real-world applications. Whether you're splitting a recipe, calculating discounts, or figuring out travel distances, mastering the art of multiplying with fractions and decimals will prove invaluable in various situations. As a challenge, try multiplying fractions and decimals with more than 2 factors. The process remains the same: multiply all the numerators and denominators, or decimals, together. Don't forget to simplify your fractions and consider the decimal places for decimals. Alright, math whizzes, that concludes our deep dive into multiplying with fractions and decimals. I hope this whiteboard session has clarified the concept and equipped you with the tools to conquer any multiplying challenge. Remember, Practice makes perfect, so keep those pencils moving and embrace the beauty of mathematical exploration. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next, drop it in the comments below. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways from today's session. Multiplying fractions involves multiplying the numerators and denominators. Always simplify your fractions to their simplest form. When multiplying decimals, treat them like whole numbers and adjust the decimal places in the final answer. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before multiplying. Mathematics is an exciting journey with endless possibilities. Stay curious and keep exploring new concepts. The more you delve into the world of math, the more connections you'll discover, making you a true math explorer. If you found this whiteboard session helpful and want more engaging math content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Math Online channel by sharing your thoughts, questions, and solutions in the comments. Your engagement is what makes this channel thrive. Massive thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate your enthusiasm for math, and I hope this session has brought clarity to the world of multiplying with fractions and decimals. Remember, math is an adventure. Embrace the challenge, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, happy problem solving.